Good morning, guys. Bit of a foggy start to the day, but hey, it's all right. So we're just packing up camp now. I'm staying here for another night, so I'm going to leave my stuff up there. I've already had my breakfast, coffee and a bagel. It was delicious. And a bit of fog this morning. So not really rushing around today, or this morning. I haven't been really rushing, taking my time and stuff like that. And because like, I don't know, I'll see if I can show it to you here. Like, I can't even see that far. So the wind, there's a light breeze coming in right now, so hopefully that will blow this fog out, and I'll get out on the water and start doing some exploring and some fishing and stuff like that. So but yeah, so I'm just gonna take, this is a new light I got. I'll show you guys really quick. Luminade. I saw it on Xander's camping channel. I forget what his last name is, but I'll link his channel. Just thought it was a great light. Really adds a lot of light to the, but the beauty is, this pops out here, right? And it just twists and deflates to that. And it's fully solar, right? Or you can charge it with a USB port, and what you can do is also charge the light through USB. It says you can charge your phone like 3 times on it. So I mean, that's not bad at all. But I'm gonna charge it so it's solar, so you can see, if you see the red light on, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. And then let's see how much power we got. So I got half power right now because I did use it last night. So, but yeah, no, really good. So I'm gonna try that out. So what I do is I just throw this on the back of the Sea-Doo on the gas caddy there, Velcro it, and what the hell is this? I mean, comes out of the fog, goes into the fog. All right, well, good seeing you, bud. Have a great day out there.
Fancy running into you here.
Small world. Surprise. My buddy was coming up. I came up a day early just to get out here, and he was coming up today. So, but he's just got here. He literally just trolled by as he got here. What a joke. I was like, yeah, that seems about appropriate for him. So, well, all right, my buddy's here, so we're gonna go out and have a good day. So yeah. I mean, surprise. The one thing I do like is it comes with its own coat hanger. So let's put this on and head out on the water. All right, guys, well, we're heading off from camp. We'll be back in a bit. There's some water on my screen, but I'll dry off in a second. Like, look at it, foggy as anything. But like I said, there is a bit of a breeze, so let's start our day off doing some fishing somewhere. So I'm gonna try and, you can start seeing, like, I can now see I couldn't see that shoreline there, or like all that. So it's coming. Things are getting better. Oh, got something. I think we got something. Oh, guys, I think we got something. What in the heck is this? Oh my gosh. Guys, it's the smallest bass I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. Whoa! Whoa! Buddy, you're in my boat. Oh. Hold on, bro. I got you. That guy's the smallest little bass. He's so cute. All right. Whoa! There you go, bro. I mean, kudos for you for going after that lure. They can only get bigger from there. That was so tiny. All right, let's keep going. Go on. Whoa! Oh my God, he jumped. Where is he? Oh, it's a huge bass. It's a huge bass. It's a huge bass. It's a huge bass. Oh my God, it's a huge bass. Of course, my net's not ready. Oh. New net. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. no. Come on, tension. Oh, that's a good bass. Oh, that's a good bass. Whoa, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's my biggest bass ever. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is huge, guys. Ow. That is just huge. Oh my goodness. What a bass. Oh no, he gone. Oh, he went. What a bass. Wow. Wow, guys, that was awesome. Way to start the day. All right. That was amazing. There we go. Let's see if I can get that for you. There he is. Come on, buddy, throw it. No, you're not going to throw it, are you? Got something. I think it's probably just a pike. I think it's pike. What do we got? Ooh, it's pike. Oh, yeah, he's just found out he got caught. Oh, wow. Okay. Pike. Ooh, that's pretty good. You done, bud? There you are. I knew you were in here. A little bit of dust. Okay, buddy. Okay. There we go. Get this out of the shot. There we go, guys. Bit backlit, but good size. All right, let's get back in the water. And gone like a rocket. Oh, you got me all wet. Ooh, wow. The hair is on point tonight, guys. Whew. Well, the sun, oh, excuse me, let me try that again. Well, the sun is set. The air is still. I'm hungry as heck. So I think I'm going to just troll my way back to the campsite and we're going to call it a day on the water. So this one's in the books. Pretty good on a couple pike. my personal best for a smallmouth bass. So that made the day right there. So we'll head back to camp. Maybe I'll shoot a little bit there for you guys as well, and we'll go from there. So actually, guys, I changed my mind. I'm tired, so I'm gonna just punch back to camp. So let's get this last little bit of a run going. So let's do it. We're back. Ah, man, beautiful run. Beautiful run. All right, guys. Well, like I said, we're gonna start up, have some dinner, and pretty much just get ready for calling in the evening. So maybe a little campfire or something like that. So we'll maybe shoot something this evening. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Until then, peace. That's kind of bad. Until then, peace. Nope, that's too much. This is like a Goldilocks situation. Until then, peace. All right, guys. Well, we have just completed dinner. His dinner. So time to get a campfire going. Although I'm in the midst of changing batteries and all this stuff. Guys, how far I've come, eh? Like, remember in early videos, I was like, man, I've run out of batteries. I've got like 2, 4, I got like 6 now. I got power packs, thanks to you guys mentioning it. So yeah, what an upgrade. What a world. Anyway, I don't know.
Clip. Don't use this, Mark.
Oh yeah, listen, this is
Don't use this clip.
Oh, Casper.
Just don't use this whole clip.
I don't care. I'm going to use it just because. There's a bug on our light. I don't know if you guys can see. There he is. Don't make him fly. Oh. Nope, nope. See? Jesus. Oh, he's in your ear. Ah. I'm so using that clip. Look what you did. You pissed him off and now you brought backup. Now there's 2 of them. I don't even know what kind of bugs these are. If you know, comment below. All right, guys. It's not a moth.
It's a moth.
That's not a moth.
It's a moth.
Moth? You're a moth. I'm a moth. You're a moth.
It's a moth.
You're a moth.
M-O-T-H.
All right, guys.